As we get ready to have another fun, exciting week in the accounting profession, I want to talk about something a little more deep this week than some of our normal topics. Think about, what are our fears? What is holding us back from truly being successful? And I want to challenge you this week to, when you start to feel nervous, anxious, or afraid to do something this week, or afraid to rip that Band-Aid off, pause, take 2 deep breaths, and ask yourself 5 questions why you feel that way. See if you can come to some self-reflection, understanding of what are those fears that are holding you back. Because that's all that they are. They're just fears that are holding us back from being successful. If we can pause and understand them, we'll be on the path forward to be more successful. So this week, do something a little bit uncomfortable that's going to set you up for future success.
Are you tired of too much noise and junk cluttering up your inbox? Do you wish you can get the exact knowledge that you need and want, and not just another generic email blast that you won't read? I know you do. That is why it is time for a change. You need to subscribe to the Entrepreneurial CPA Channel newsletter powered by artificial intelligence. Our AI program learns what you like to read and provides you more of the content you consume. Stop the noise, stop the junk, get what you need. Click on the link and subscribe today. Take steps to invest in yourself.